Hello crafty friends, just a quick video here today to show you my card swaps. As you know, I'm a demonstrator with Jen Tinline, so we had a demo meeting and we did swaps, so to feature some of the cards in the Occassions catalog, so I wanted to go quickly through and show you a few of the cards that I got. So this is my design here. This is my birthday rainbow panda that I did, and I will put a link below if you want to see how to make that card. There's a video for that. I also did this card here, my pretty and pink pandas, and also there's a link below for that as well for that video, so you can check that out. And here's another panda card done, the party pandas, and I think this is the eclectic paper and the layering leaves embossing folder, and this was done by Vicky, so thank you, Vicky. This one's done by Jen, my upline, and she's using the lovely lavender stamp set, and that's featured in the celebration flyer. So when you spend $60, you can get this one for free. And then these are the embossing folders. I believe it's with the Petal Palette stamp suite. This one here is Celebrate You. This framelit here is a free one when you spend $120 of celebration, and this one was done by Laura, and I love the colors that she used. I love the gray and the pink together, beautiful. And this one here was done by Jacqueline, and she did again the Celebrate You, and I love how she did the, I believe it's the gold, I'm not sure if it's copper, I think it's copper, and then this is the bow punch, and she's featuring the Truly Tailored DSP here as well. So very simple, very masculine as well. And this one here was done by Pam S, and she's featuring the Epic Celebration stamp set, and this one again is in the celebration flyer, so you have to spend $60 to get this one. So You're Awesome, and this one here is featured in that's part of the stamp set, as well as you can see the little dots in the background there. This one here was done by, I believe it was Kathy. Sure. Yeah, Kathy did this one, and she's using the heartfelt, I think it's heartfelt greetings. And again, it's a celebration. You have to spend $60 to get this one. I love how she has the frame here and then this one here as well. So thank you. This one here is done by Darcy, and she did that like black and white, and I love how she has this gray shimmery ribbon here at the bottom. Beautiful. Very simple. This one here was done by Diana, and I love how Diana added some, I believe she's got some Winkestella here, and I love this faceted gem here as well, and this little triptych here, very nice. So we have a few more here to go through as well. This one here is done by Stephanie. So Stephanie used this, I don't know the name of this stamp set. When I got the card, I went, oh, I didn't even know we had that. So I love how she did this little diamond thing here with the jewels. I love that. So this one here is using Lemon Lime Twist and the Crumb Cake, and it's featuring the Truly Tailored stamp set as well. And this one is done by Teresa. So thank you, Teresa. This one's done by Lisa, and she's featuring the Valentine. I don't remember the stamp set, but I love how this little bit of paper here, and very simple, quick to put together. This one is done by Moira, and if you look in the catalog, you'll see that in the Occasions catalog. So this one is, I believe, it's like the second page in when you turn. This one here was done by, sorry, this one doesn't have a name. So, but I do like the colors that they used, and this berry burst ribbon with the silver trim there is very pretty. And this one's using the same stamp set, it's like a peacock one, and this one is done by Amy. And so thank you, Amy. I like your color combination. I love how it's the dark, the blue on the bottom, tempting turquoise, and the white at the top. Very cute. And this one's done by Eileen. And Eileen, I love this technique here. So she's using the brusho here at the bottom and the layering leaves embossing folder. So super sweet the little birds, but I love this technique here. So there you go. So thanks for watching my video, and be sure to tell me which card was your favorite. I will again link these two here below for you. These are my cards that I did, and so the link will be below for you to do that. And be sure to subscribe to my channel to see me in all my crafty adventures. Have a great day. See you in the next video.